Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 8.1 question number 3. Population of Rajasthan is equal to 570 lakhs and population of Uttar Pradesh is equal to 1660 lakhs. Area of Rajasthan is 3 lakh kilometer squares and area of Uttar Pradesh is 2 lakh kilometer squares. How many people are there per kilometer square in both these states? And number 2 is which state is less populated? Let us find here. Here, people present per kilometer square. People present. People present per kilometer square. Per kilometer square. Kilometer square is equal to population by area is equal to population is equal to population by area. Population by area. Right? Now you'll find in Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, this is question number 1. In Rajasthan, the population is 570 lakhs. 570 lakhs. And area is 3 lakh kilometer square. 3 lakh kilometer square. Kilometer square. Right? Now divide 370 by 3. If we divide this one, that is 3 1 is 3. 3 1 is 3. 27. 3 1 is 3. 4 5. 27. 3 9 is 27. 0. That means we are getting 190 people per kilometer square. 190 people. 190 people per kilometer square. Right? Now we'll find in Uttar Pradesh. In Uttar Pradesh, in UP or Uttar Pradesh, the population of Uttar Pradesh is 1660 lakhs and area is 2 lakh kilometer square. 2 lakh kilometer square. Right? Now, if we divide it by 2, that is 202, 8 2 is 16, 2 3 is 6, 0, 830. That is equal to 830 people. That is equal to 830 people. 830 people per kilometer square. Per kilometer square. Right? Which state is less populated? Here you find that in Rajasthan it is only 190 people per kilometer square and in UP 830 people per kilometer square. Therefore, which state is less populated? We can say that Rajasthan is less populated than UP. Therefore, we can say that number 2. Which state is less populated? That is Rajasthan is less populated. Rajasthan is less populated. Is less populated. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.